everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is my fiance's birthday, so I just want to do something really special for him. I am surprising him with a date at his favorite lounge slash restaurant. A friend of mine manages it, so I was able to talk her into opening it up just for us so that he can enjoy it. And he has no idea, so I'm gonna literally send him in there in blindfolds, and I literally told him that we're either going skydiving or going to eat at the airport because that's the safest place. And for some reason he bought those two and he's like, oh, I wonder what we're gonna do. Are we going to the airport? Like, he's totally clueless, so I'm really excited. So I just finished doing my hair and makeup. He likes me natural, so unfortunately no wig or extensions because this weirdo really likes me natural. So I did do a tutorial on the hair, I did a tutorial on the makeup, so I'll link those down below if you want to learn more about this look. But today we're just going to talk about getting ready for a date, kind of quarantine stay-at-home edition, but I feel like we're gonna be moving on really soon, so hopefully we don't have to do that for much longer. I did already tan myself with the DZ Sunless Foaming Mousse. Okay, so the first part of me getting ready is, of course, putting on my Upbra. I can't live without it. If you've been on this channel, you know how much I love the Upbra because it's literally the only bra I ever wear. It is super life-changing. Today I'm going to be wearing this jumpsuit, so I'm going to wear their t-shirt bra, and of course I want to be sexy underneath it, so I'm wearing it in the color red. So let's go ahead and do a quick tour of the Upbra just in case you're new to it. And it's so unique because you can control how much cleavage you want by pulling on the little tabs back here. So you can literally pull the inner straps and you can see that the inside padding will come out with it, and the effect that it has is that it will push your boobs together. So once you find the cleavage that you like, you can go ahead and hook the straps together. I like to do it with my bra off, but you can also put it on and pull the straps together so you can see exactly how much cleavage you have as it happens. And this bra also comes with a bra extender, so this is a little attachment that you can put onto your bra if you feel like you need more space for your fit. The band on this extender is super flexible and elastic. This unique t-shirt style bra is super nice. It has full support, it has the straps, and you can also control where you want the straps to be located on the back, and you can also crisscross them if you want to. So here's a quick before and after of me before I put on the Upbra and after, and you can just see what a magical difference it makes. And this is not even at the maximum cleavage. So if you want to learn more about Upbra, I'll go ahead and link them down below. And now before we move into jewelry, I want to talk about hand cream because I've been washing my hands a lot and my hands are super dry. So one of my favorite skincare companies is PAYOT Paris, and they have their Crème Mon Velour, which is like a 24-hour nourishing hand cream. So before I put on my engagement ring and all that stuff, I want to go ahead and hydrate my hands so that they look and feel soft. Also, this stuff smells amazing. It's like floral, fruity, and feminine. It's like everything that I love. Of course, first things first, my engagement ring, and then on the other hand, I'm going to wear my platinum claw bling ring from the LadyCode shop. It's just like a nice little stacked CZ ring. For earrings, I'm going to wear a pair of crystal earrings that Franz got me a while back. I love them because they're so just like delicate and minimal. I'm taking off my Taurus necklace from the LadyCode shop, and I'm gonna wear this Swarovski necklace that Franz got me, I think for my birthday or our anniversary, like way back when. This is basically like a relic now, but I love it. So this crystal pendant matches the earrings and almost like everything else. We're just going with like a really white rhinestone look tonight. Oh wait, actually before I put this on, I need to do this. This is the bronzed bombshell from DZ Sunless. You guys, this is like life-changing. Just watch what it does to my skin. It's just like smoothing everything out, bronzing it, adding shimmer. And you guys, I'm wearing white, so I know like transferring is always an issue with like fake tans and highlighters and makeup and stuff like that, but this bronzer does not transfer onto clothes. I've done it a million times. I've worn it with white and it just does not get on your clothes, so it's amazing. Just gonna go ahead and shimmer on my boobs to make them look bigger. Do you guys see the difference that makes? Oh my god. I love it. I think my face needs some too. Okay, done. I'm glowing, you guys. This is how you get that shoulder highlight. I look more bronze. I will link this down below because every girl should have this. Okay, so now it's necklace time. Done. Love it. I think my finishing touch is gonna be Perfume. I'm wearing the Oscar de la Renta Bella Blanca because one day when we were super bored, Franz smelled every single fragrance that I had and he was like, this is the best smelling one. So apparently it smells better than Chanel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it on my wrists, rub them together, and then go behind my ears because I don't want to be like overbearing. Maybe just a little bit on my chest. Okay, so my last finishing touch is a weird one. It's just like a little hair touch-up thing. I'm gonna fill in my hairline to make it look more glamorous with the Color Wow Root Cover-Up. This comes conveniently with a mirror and a brush, and I just like to use the bigger brush and just kind of like fill in my hairline to make it look perfect so that when I'm like flirting with Franz like this or whatever I do, I just like don't have any crazy looking gaps in my hairline. There we go. That's so much better. Okay, and the finishing touch, since we are going out, is this Debbie Carrol mask that I just added to the LadyCode shop. So I'll link them down below. I partnered up with Debbie because she's all about women empowerment. She is a business owner herself. So I think the best way for us to support each other is to team up. And I am in love with these masks. I feel like they are so hot. So when I go out, I'm going to wear this. It looks so bomb for date night and it matches my outfit. I have these masks available online in white and black, so depending on your mood, or you can save money by getting both. For Valentine's Day, I wore my hair straight with these hair charms that I also sell on LadyCodeShop.com. It's a perfect way to just accessorize. So I'm just gonna put on one little pearl clip on this side just to like give it a little extra cuteness. And I feel like that does a lot for this look. It's like all white with a little bit of sparkle. So that is it for this look. I'm gonna go on my date now. Wish me luck. I hope he's surprised. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything is linked down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.